Hey, it's Similolu here, and in this video I'm just going to explain what I've been doing and why I haven't uploaded a video in at least 3 weeks. Okay, so for those of you who have been with me for a little while, you'll know my tagline, which is basically learning different ways of making money using social media as a platform. Okay, so I've gone through different modes of businesses, from network marketing to e-commerce, cryptocurrency investment, and now I am dabbling into the stock market again, but this time trading options. Okay, so I need you to stay focused on what my punchline is, what my tagline is, not my punchline, is making money online on various social media platforms. Now, trading options is something I've known about for a while. And because I have traded stock in the past, I kind of know of it but didn't really know about it. So I have spent at least 2 of these past 3 weeks researching it. I've picked up a mentor who is helping me get deep into options and understand how it's possible to make money. And at the same time, you all know if you can make money, then there's the possibility that you can lose money as well. Basically, with options, I'm being taught right now that your whole focus needs to be not so much on making money, but on how not to lose money. Once you can master the art of not losing money whilst trading options, then the only other option left is for you to make money. I hope that's not a tongue twister. It's not meant to be a riddle, but I'm focused on making money. And in making money, it's important that, as we all know, when you trade stock, shares, as you all know, you make money, you lose money. It's going to be a very rare situation where somebody makes money 100% of the time, because you can't predict everything. You can't predict the economy. You can't predict wars and terrorist attacks and things like that cause the stock market to be depressed. Okay, so that is really it. If you are interested in learning options with me, stay posted, stay posted as in subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to start making videos about everything I have been learning over these past 2 weeks. And I'm going to make sure that I also record my very first live option trading. It is so much fun, and it's so scary to know that there are people out there who sit behind their computers and know what buttons to press to pull in a cool $10,000 in 10 minutes, or $1,000 in 30 minutes. And that's what I'm interested in. So follow me on this journey, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like it, hit the notification bell, and that way you get my videos as soon as I make them. And I will catch you on the next video.